Hey there. Let's talk about getting kids involved in household chores, but wait, before you roll your eyes or your kids run away screaming, I promise this isn't going to be another boring lecture about responsibility. You know what's fascinating? In Japan, kids as young as 6 help clean their schools every day. They sweep floors, wipe tables, and even serve lunch to their classmates. And guess what? They actually enjoy it. These kids grow up to be some of the most responsible and independent adults in the world. So, how do we make helping at home something kids want to do? Rather than have to do? First, let's make it real. Show them why their help matters. Instead of just saying, clean your room, try this. Hey buddy, when you put your toys away, it means we'll have more space to build that awesome pillow fort we talked about. See the difference? You're connecting the task to something they care about. Now here's where the magic happens, making it fun. Turn cleanup time into a dance party. Set a timer and make it a race. Create a chore hero chart where they can earn stars or stickers. My favorite trick? The color hunt. Ask them to find and put away all the blue things first. Then red, then yellow. Suddenly, cleaning becomes a game. You can even create silly characters for different tasks. The Dust Bunny Buster for dusting, the sock sorting superhero for laundry, or the tabletop titan for setting the dinner table. When my nephew became Captain Clean with a makeshift cape, he couldn't wait to help with the dishes. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about participation. When kids feel like they're making a real contribution and having fun while doing it, they're more likely to develop a positive attitude toward helping out. Plus, these moments become opportunities for connection, laughter, and creating memories together. So next time you're thinking about household chores, remember, make it meaningful, make it fun, and watch as your little helpers transform into eager participants in the family team. After all, a family that cleans together grows together.